Hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata, hakuna matata.
Now look at the design of these chairs. Like, it's beautiful. This is gorgeous. Pool area. A little jacuzzi or pool area. This is a bar area. Bar area. And then here is the gym. Our living room over here, nice space, television. We have an outdoor area. They produce their own coffee, so coffee, water. We have a refrigerator. Next up is our bedroom. This is mosquito nets. Look at your view outside. Chair, another view. This is the front of the bed. If you need to do work, hopefully not, but there you go. And then this is our outside. You want to take coffee, just chill and relax. And then we have our bathroom. This is for your luggage. Bathrobes. If you want to see yourself in the mirror. In our bathroom, I noticed they always have his and her sinks. You have your toilets. I like that they have their own products usually. And here's our bathroom. Okay, what do you think? We have carrot soup and rolls. We got spinach, lamb. salad, beetroot, rice. What is this one?
That's chicken stuffed fried.
Oh, the chicken stir fry, the mashed potatoes.
And the vegetable
And vegetable
curry,
something.
curry.
Alright.
Sure, we can have small stuff to match these occupants we have right now.
So what type of vegetables? I'm gonna record you.
Yeah, we're growing carrots, eggplants, we're growing cauliflowers, cucumbers, zucchinis, everything. Like all this production we're doing is reaching 75% of our needs.
Oh, 75. Okay, so then
Yeah.
the other 25% you go outside, but
Yeah,
okay. So for lunch, breakfast, dinner,
yeah.
well, dinner really, because these are vegetables.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So what will this one be?
This is carrots.
Oh, carrots.
Yeah,
Okay.
we have cauliflowers over there, and then we use also the greenhouses to plant some of the vegetables which cannot afford the outside weather condition.
Oh, the greenhouse. Okay.
Especially like if it's a season for the rains, rusting some of the leaves and getting dry. So yeah. So we're non-seasonal, almost 4 times harvest a year, and every 3 months we do changing the crops.
Okay.
But that way also helping us to control underground disease.
Okay, this is lettuce, as you guys can see. It's a beautiful head of lettuce. And then these are strawberries. What was I gonna ask you? I was gonna ask you. This is eggplants. More eggplant. You guys are used to seeing the emojis, but this is real eggplant. One day for dinner, and she said, "Oh, I only know the eggplant real, and you can eat them." So these are tomatoes. So first they're green, and then they get to their red color. Spinach. We had spinach last night.
You had that?
Yes. So this is okra. I got the flowers, so they grow both. I'm not a big okra fan. But I know avocado. So we have something called
Failure because we did the grafting. So that way you can enforce the plant to have an earlier production. Otherwise, the normal mango can stay 5 years with no any fruit.
passion fruit. These are the ones that's what? Yeah, are they yellow, purple, and stuff?
Yeah.
We have the pig farm. And look at all the different colors they are. Got spotted woods. Hi, little piggies. Oh, the kitchen scraps. Oh, they probably think you're, do you cover, oh, I'm like, they're coming, do they think you're feeding them or no?
You what?
Do they think you're feeding or no? They just come closer.
So they can give their names.
Oh, but you're like, these are not pets. Like, we're gonna use them. Okay, so she just had her babies. Wow. And she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many do they have at a time? Yeah, that's smart. And what are they doing? Just making noise.
Now the making noise is like this.
That's just what they do. These are the ones that are not doing so well.
Tuwachanganyie machungwa, machenza na malimao. Sio siri. Naumia, naumia, sio siri. Naumia, naumia. Silele mama, wageni silele mama, wanahitaji kubembeleza. Walami silele mama, wanahitaji kubembeleza. Wageni silele mama, wanahitaji kubembeleza. Tuwachanganyie machungwa, machenza na malimao. Tuwachanganyie machungwa, machenza na malimao. Sio siri. Naumia.